Hi, and welcome to Easy Pace English, the place where English is learned calmly and confidently. My name is Anna, and today we have something very special for you. My colleague Sam is going to share one powerful rule that can transform the way you practice English every day. This method is simple, effective, and only takes 10 minutes a day, but the results are real. So stay with us and let's welcome Sam. Sam, it's all yours.
Thanks, Anna. And hello to everyone watching. Today I'm going to show you how to build real speaking fluency using what I call the 10-minute rule. It's a simple method, but it's based on how your brain actually learns languages. And when you do this consistently, just 10 minutes a day, your English fluency will improve dramatically. Let's break it down. Most learners think they need to study for hours to improve. But the truth is, quality beats quantity. If you practice with intention, even short sessions can have a big impact, especially when your goal is speaking fluency, not just memorizing words. So what is the 10-minute rule? It's this. Every day, spend 10 minutes actively speaking English out loud based on one simple structure or situation. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Choose a focus. Start each session with one clear focus. It could be something like describing your day, talking about a past event, expressing an opinion, making a recommendation, practicing a common situation like ordering food, making a phone call, or scheduling a meeting. Let's say today you choose talk about your morning routine. That's your focus. Step 2, speak out loud. Now for the next 10 minutes, speak as much as you can, out loud. Don't just think in your head. Say every sentence clearly. This is not shadowing, and it's not reading. It's speaking, using your own words. If you get stuck, don't stop. Just keep going, even if your grammar isn't perfect. The goal is flow, not perfection. Here's an example of what I might say. I usually wake up around 7:30. The first thing I do is check my phone, which I know is a bad habit. Then I take a shower, make coffee, and write down my top priorities for the day. Around 8:30, I start working on my desk. I like working from home because it gives me more flexibility. That's 30 seconds, but look how much vocabulary and structure it covers. Now imagine doing that for 10 minutes a day, every day. Step 3, record yourself. This part is optional, but very powerful. Use your phone to record your voice. Then, later, listen back. You'll hear your strengths, your pauses, your grammar mistakes, and more importantly, your progress over time. Don't be afraid of your voice. This is how professionals train. Athletes watch their games. Speakers watch their speeches. You're training your speaking muscle. Step 4, track your topics. Keep a small notebook or a digital note where you write what topic you practiced each day. This helps you avoid repeating the same subjects. One day it's your job, another day your opinion on technology, the next day your favorite childhood memory. You're building fluency through real-life speaking, just like a native speaker would. Now let me give you a few examples of topics you can rotate through. A recent conversation you had, a place you want to visit, a movie you watched, a piece of advice you'd give your younger self, an opinion about online learning, a description of your workspace, a memory from school, a problem you solved this week. These aren't textbook topics, they're human topics. The more you speak about real things, the faster your brain builds real fluency. Let's answer one question I hear all the time. But what if I make mistakes? Good. That's the point. Fluency comes from using English, not hiding from it. You will make mistakes, but with this daily speaking habit, you also become more confident, more flexible, and more natural. You'll stop translating. You'll start thinking in English. And you'll speak with rhythm, tone, and expression. Let's do a quick recap. The 10-minute rule is simple. Choose a focus. Speak out loud. Record yourself if you want. Track your topics. Repeat every day. It takes 10 minutes. No excuses. No special tools. No apps. Just your voice, your mind, and a little consistency. And here's the best part. After 1 week, you'll notice improvement. After 1 month, you'll speak with more confidence. And after 3 months, people will ask you, how did your English get so good?
Thank you, Sam. That was incredibly helpful. Now it's your turn. Start your 10-minute practice today. Pick one topic, speak freely, and make English part of your daily life. And remember, at Easy Pace English, learning is not a race. It's a journey. Subscribe for more lessons, stories, and real English practice every week. See you in the next video.